Alright guys, you're welcome once again. It's your boy Ikechukwu Austin. Now I want to be showing you how to create logo by yourself. Although you can download logo online, but the funniest thing is you can download logo and another person will still go and download the same logo. You find out that you'll be using the same, but nevertheless I will still teach you how to download logo and make it look unique. Even you see the logo somewhere else, it will not be the same. We'll get to that. But right now I want to teach you how to download your own, how to create your own logo by yourself. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to delete this shape. Alright, you delete it. Then the next thing is to import shape. Alright, now we are going to find circle. Now I've told you how to get shapes now, right? Told you get it from here. Once you click here, it will appear different. So I choose circle and I'm going to give it color black. Then the next thing to do is to copy it. Look for copy. Look at it here. You copy it to be 2. Now I don't want to use black. I will change this one that I just copied. Go to color and give it color white. If you enable it, it will turn to red. I give it color white. Then watch what I will do. I'll reduce it a bit and put it in between this one, but not, I'll create maybe tiny moon. Understand? So now the next thing to do is to go and merge it, or it's called grouping. You group it. Remember how to do that. Click on this icon down here, merge. Good. Go back. Now the next thing to do is to go and erase color. Go to your erase color. Once you click on it, if you enable it, it will clean like this. If you want to, I've said this in one of my videos, if you want to make use of the color white and clean the black one, you click on this place that you are seeing one, click on it, put it to color black. Okay, the black one is gone, the white one is here. But now we want to use color white, so we still click on this one and give it white. Is back, the black one is back. All right, so the next thing we are going to do is, if you look at this thing very well, you'll be seeing some white lines at the edge of it because you just remove white. So what you do is you increase your tolerance. Understand, it has been disappeared. You smoothing the edges. All right, maybe 3 is okay. Now the next thing to do is to copy this thing again. If you don't do this process, you cannot put color to this or put texture to it. If you miss this that I'm about to do now, you carry the one you just copy and put it straight under this one to be together. Now the next thing you do is you go and merge 2 of them. You must do this process. If not, if you go to texture, it won't work. You merge them together. Now it's together. You can do whatever you want to. Then, but I don't want the logo to be like this, so I copy again. But this one I just copy, I increase and turn it anti-clockwise. Understand? It will not be like this. Are you getting me? Alright, so like this is okay. Something like this. Increase a bit. Think like this is okay. You go and give it color. I want to give it through texture. Don't want to give it through color. So texture, you go to, I always love good color because good color is always unique. So click on good. Okay, have you seen it? Okay, then the other one I'll go and give it texture, and this time around I'm going to just look for any color for our time's sake. Understand? I'll choose this one. It will be like this. Then the next thing is merge again. This thing has to do with loss of merging, or it's called grouping in CorelDRAW. Alright, so that anything you are doing will affect both. Now the next thing to do, since you have grouped it, is to go to your eraser. Not erase color, it's eraser this time, different from erase color. Click on your eraser. You click on this thing that look like map of Nigeria. You click on the square one because that's the one we want to use. You push it back and drag. I want to clean the center now, center part of it. Now you click here, you click good. So right now you are good to go. The reason for doing it this way is to enable you, if you want to write anything inside the logo, or if you want to write your initials, or if you want to bring in a symbol inside the logo, you can give you space for that. All right, so the next thing is to go and put text. Click on this A button, edit. Always use my name in whatever I'm doing. All right, so it's not my fault. Use your own brand name, don't use mine. No. So the next thing to do is to go and give it font that will make it look more beautiful. All right, so I think this will do. Now want the white to have the same color with the logo so that it will not look odd. So you still go back to texture, go back to that my gold. I think gold will be okay. Go back to that my gold and click on it. It turn out this way. All right, click OK. Then you merge again. Once you merge, it will be like this. Then now you beautify it. You are done with your logo, but you make it more beautiful. Firstly, you go to your stroke, give it a stroke. Now I don't like white, I put black. I think the black one is better. Okay, or anything in stroke again is to increase your stroke width. You can increase your stroke width. Are you seeing it? All right, depending on you now. I think 3 is okay. Then go to your shadow, click on it, enable. Wow, becoming beautiful. Reduce the blur, reduce the offset, and everything is okay. Click the inner shadow also, everything is okay. Now if you want, you can emboss it. Once you emboss it, it will be like this. No worry, you reduce and increase. You reduce and increase till you get what you want. All right, but I don't normally like to use emboss. All right, but it makes work unique. So let me remove it from emboss. All right, I think this is okay. The only thing I can do to it again is to put it on 3D shape. All right, 3D, enable, reduce the depth, maybe okay. Now this logo, if you want to use it to, we are done with it. If you want to use it for maybe your flyers, your banner, and whatever, simply what you have to do is you click on this button down, you go to transparent. All right, put it transparent. Now you can use only the logo anytime you want again. You just save it as PNG. If your own is not in PNG, you change it from here. All right, change it PNG, save. The image has been saved. Let me show you what I mean. Now let me delete this. If you go to your Pixellab app again and you want to create something, maybe you have given it a background, you want to create maybe logo or flyer, and you need that, you want to create your flyers or your posters or whatever, or your business card, and you still want to use that logo, all you have to do is you go here, import from gallery, you go and check where Pixellab app is saving in your phone. Mine is being saved here. You click on it. Now look at the logo, you click on it. Have you seen it? You just crop it so that it will not occupy too much space. Press OK. Have you seen it? The background has been removed. It's only the logo. Alright, so if you want to tag it somewhere, you tag. If you want to put it anywhere, you tag. So guys, this is the end of this logo creation. Thank you guys. I'm looking forward to see your own. Alright.